Let's go ahead and start bringing to the staging area. Slow on the back straightaway. Let's bring it down to the staging area here right in front of you. Dominic Garza, I'll call you first. Josh Hayden, I'll call you second.
That's good. I can.
Mike Grino, you'll start third. Alan, you'll start fourth. Nick Pantana will start fifth. And Arthur will start sixth.
Redwood City, pretty close by.
Corner marshals are ready, and our drivers are ready. We got a marshal over here in this right corner. You see a marshal? Well, I see that guy filming for Gen Z's, but we need a marshal over there. Hustle. Come on, marshal, let's come. All the way in the corner over here, if you don't mind, thanks. All right, we're ready to go. Corner marshals are ready. Drivers are ready. Wait for your name. Dominic. Josh. Mike. Alan. Nick. Art. See if we can get a gentleman's agreement between these two heats. I don't know. There might be room enough for all of you guys, and then I'll have to talk with the race promoter and organizer. We got 6 and 6. 2 heats of this one. All right, it's Nick Pantana out in front. Scratch that. Arthur coming in with a 14.7 front wheel drive from class. Ooh, watch on the right hand side, and we're clear. I'm going to try one of those kind of growing classes out here. See a lot of racing. We get 2 heats down south of Fronty. Knight out in front, Pantana second, Garza in third, followed by Lungy and Karina. It's almost like the front wheel drive kind of took over the mini market. Speaking of market, these are our hatchback grocery getters out there. And Arthur Knight out in front by 3.0 over Garza. Pantana in third spot, 2 tenths behind him. Our VTA top qualifier scrambling in the third spot. Nick out here representing for BWS Raceway. In front of the driver's stand, 130 in, 330 left to go. Pantana currently trailing Garza by 2 tenths to the 2 spot. Watch it in the center. And clear. Race number 18, have ready. Race 19, modified. Start heading to 10. Uh-oh, trouble for the back.
Dom's car. No, Dom. Dom? He's running right now.
Pantana up to the 2 spot, Lungy down to third.
This one? That's him?
Okay, Arthur Knight out in front by 6.8. Pretty big lead here. Arthur in the white and orange across the start finish line, 14.3.
Put on the throttle. Don't let go.
And into the middle, here is Arthur across the start finish line, 14.3. Ooh, big hit there for the pink car, keep going.
Yeah.
Garza in third, Lungy in fourth, Guerrero around down the top 5, Hayden in
Good
6.
luck, James.
Thanks.
So Josh down the backstretch in that pink car. He just started RC racing last season. This is actually his first big travel race. And there's Josh into the center of the course, coming from the San Diego racing scene, I believe. Back in through the middle and now down the back stretch. Arthur Knight out in front, the orange and white down the back straightaway now. That's our race leader out in front by 9.9 over Pantana. Pantana 6.2 out front. Garza, big gaps in the top 3. Lungy, Carino, and Hayden to complete the running order. 1 minute and 30 seconds left to go, guys.
What's that? It's always hard to know what.
Arthur, Nick, and Dominic, followed by Alan and Mike to round out the top 5. Josh in 6th. 1 minute left to go. Oh, it's going to be Arthur out in front by 11.8. That's almost a full lap on second place. Camtasia the second spot, trailed by that 11.9, and then Garza in third, 9.1 behind Nick. Lungi in fourth, 8 seconds behind Garza, and Perino in the fifth spot, 14.5 behind Lungi. 30 seconds left to go for Arthur in the orange and white across the start finish line, 14.4. Last time I come across there, 14.6. Arthur has a hot lap in the race at 14.2. 21 and a final for Bayshore with just 15 seconds left on the timer. 14.7 for Knight.
Civic. Oh, the HCF. That is the Civic. Oh. Right? So is that the body? It is a biddy.
Keep going, keep going, keep going.
That one. Allen's is pretty cool. It's made by Super Rad. That one looks like the Mazda. No, his is the Corolla.
Four more to finish.
The Protoform makes the one that looks like a Mazda,
Two
which
more.
is the one that
One
Sawyer
more.
has.
That's right. Everybody is done. All right, it's going to be Arthur Knight taking the win, setting the early TQ, 21 and a 5:05. Nick Camtasia second, 20 and a 5:04. Garza third, 20 and a 5:15. Lungi and Carreno to round out the top five, though, at 80 and 6.